So before we get started, subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. So now let's get started. So these are mine, this is hers. So let's open them. Wait, do these things have tape? I don't see any tape. Here we are, guys. We have I don't know what this is. But don't open it. Don't open the bag. Just put the pink one in this bowl so that we can know that that's for the pink. This is for the blue. Now let's open the yellow. These are really hard, guys.
Let me get you water.
My mom is gonna get us water. Okay, there we go. So let's start. Guys, this is gonna be so cool. Yeah. Okay, now, so, okay, guys, hurry here, guys. Okay, guys, I'm so excited.
Okay, so you have to open the packet.
I'm gonna open Alex first. Mama. This is gonna be so cool, guys. Okay, there we go. I think I got it open or no.
¿Vas a mojar?
No,
¿Por qué?
I'm annoyed.
¿Por qué?
Oh my god. Look, there's glitter. This is what we're going to put inside it. Oh my god, I always wanted to see the mermaid. Here's the pink.
You mix everything in the cup and then I'll fill up the line.
Yeah, my mom's gonna help us. Now let's open this one. No, wait. Let's open this one. Give me the mermaid. it feels like it's a Here, mommy. This is mine. It's mine.
You're not gonna put it in the slime?
Yeah.
No.
That's what we call him. I'm gonna put this thing on. Okay. I think it's a mermaid again or something.
Go eat your cereal.
Oh, look. I don't know what this is, but it looks like a cloud. So here we have a mermaid and a cloud. Maybe if it's a cloud. Where's that one? In this one, we're gonna put the heart. And we have blue. Let's open the last one. And we're gonna be all right. Shaking it. Oh, this is really hard. Wait, I think I got it. Oh, here's the thing. Whoa. Got it open. So the other one. Oh my god. It's a dog as a unicorn.
Oh, how cute.
I've never seen that. Now we have these ones. It's like glitter ones.
Unicorn glitter.
Yeah, unicorn glitter. Let's put the glitters over here and those over here. This is gonna be so cool.
Ponte a comer.
Whoa, this is like a green color. It's like a familiar color. It's cool. Let's put the back in here. Okay. And we also have the stretch things. So
Guys,
put over
guys,
here for my
guys,
mom.
guys.
And let's
Okay.
put these ones
Okay.
over here.
Ticket.
Mix, it says. Rule number 1. Combine 1 pack of slime powder and some glitter or confetti into the shaker. Fill with water to the line. Secure the lid, shake quickly for 30 seconds, remove the lid, wait 5 minutes before removing
that's
the
cool.
slime.
Okay, so excited, guys. Yeah, look at me.
Mia. I see Mia. Mia, I see Mia.
So what do we have to do first?
Mia, I see
You
Mia.
get the glitter and
This one?
the powder and put it in the cup.
Okay. Guys, right now we're gonna have water, right?
Yeah.
I'm scared. What if I explode it?
I drop it down. Guys, I drop it. Guys. Like that, Mia?
It's really hard, guys. Like,
No,
I
at
can't
the Mia,
really,
okay?
Open it. I'm gonna. Do we have to put all of it?
Guys.
Who knows?
Let's put all that. Okay. Here, guys.
Let's
Guys.
see there.
Guys.
Let's put all of it.
Here, guys.
I really want to feel it, but at last.
Give me.
When I'm done.
Beep. Okay. Now.
So feel
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Okay, done.
Now give me the glitter.
It feels good. Now she's
Ale,
gonna-
move your cereal.
Yeah, because what if we?
Ale, get off the table now.
I have to sit down by here.
No, now we're not gonna be able to do the video. This is cool, right? I'm really excited. First, we're gonna make the pink, and then we're gonna make the yellow, then the blue. Do we just like pour it? All of it, I'll put it.
Eto.
Now give me the cup so I can fill it up.
Otra vez, papá. Otra vez. Papo, otra vez, papi.
No, okay, no.
Otra vez.
Whoa! This is
Papi,
amazing,
papito,
guys.
otra vez,
Like,
papito.
you're never gonna know that what we're going to do. It's gonna be amazing! Oh my god! Ooh, there's glitter everywhere.
Beep, 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 beep.
Dame la lid.
What lid? What? I shake
one.
it for 30 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay, you count me 30 seconds.
Shake it hard.
Tell me to stop, okay?
Go.
Oh, make the blue one and the yellow.
Okay, but those are mine. Wait, not yet.
Hard.
30 seconds, guys.
Mommy.
There or no? Guys.
Okay, I'll do the blue one.
Okay, all done.
Okay, wait, not yet, not yet.
Now do another one.
What?
Do another one. We have to let it sit.
Okay, now we're going to do the blue one. Wait, not yet, wait. So I get the blue one, and we're gonna get that one. Yeah, you can play with those. Okay, let's pour them.
Oh, open that one. Oh, hi.
This is, she's gonna open the both of them, and I'm really excited. It's really cool. I'm gonna pretend like I'm the trash girl. Trash, la 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 la. No. Wasn't that cool, guys? Somebody has to open our packs so we can start. I'm really excited.
This is Lelo.
Yeah, but you can play with those. You can play with them. Okay? But not this one. You can only play with those, okay?
Now, so
This is gonna be so cool.
what's this bed?
Where's the open?
Doesn't that one go in the other cup?
Oh, really?
And then it has this glitter. You know?
No, it's this one. This is the bed.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
It's okay, Mom, because you're the same. You're just glitter. This is feeling really good.
It's falling, guys.
Guys, let's put all of it now.
Yeah.
I'm almost done, I think.
Other one.
All this is freaking me out.
Oh, it's fall down, guys.
This one's getting so cool. Look, it's not.
Guys, here. Oh, here you tiny cake. Tiny cake. Okay, now so. I need to put all of these and it's really hard. Here go you. Waiting? Okay, give me your food. Do you think Kalawa? No, your food?
That's okay.
Okay. It's okay if these have some. It's only a little bit. My mom knows more, guys. Here you go. Right now I'm gonna go like this with the slime, so I can feel really nice. Here you go, guys. Okay, now where's the step one? Here you go.
Wait.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna shake it. I'm sorry, but you can do this one. Okay? Hurry because we're gonna do these ones. Okay? You can only play with those. I'm sorry. Hurry and play with them. Can you give me that? Can you give me that?
Shake
Can I
hard.
shake it? Can I shake it?
Shake it hard.
Really, really hard?
Yes.
30 seconds, okay? Oh, guys, this is cool. Here, guys. Here you go. Oh, I forgot. This is this.
Let Ale do the last one.
You want me to help you then?
No.
Give him my pink one.
Yeah, put this one in your cup, Ale.
Yeah, put that one in your cup. Okay. You're
Haz
gonna
el
do
cup
that.
acá. Put your cup over here.
Is 30 seconds almost done? Well,
Yes.
this is mine.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We're done. Now we're just gonna leave it over
Put
there.
all this in your cup,
Put it in
Ale.
the cup like this, okay? You want me to do it or you? You? Okay. Be careful, okay? Put it on it. Are you done? Or more? More? I'll help you. Go. Don't spill it out. You have to put it on. Are you done? No more? Or you put a lot of it on the mess, but it's okay. Oh, yeah,
Here.
Mommy's done? I did it, guys! You wanna put it? Ow. Come on, put it. So this thing can be cool. You want me to help you with that one? Or you want? I'm fine. Well, this one's hard, so.
Give me all the trash.
Okay, that one's done. Let's see. Yeah, I think that one's gonna be done. Yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
Let me put the water.
Water. Give me the tapon, Ale. No, I put it. You want to put it? Yeah.
Okay. But make sure.
I'll
Wait,
get
let
it.
me
You
put more glitter.
More glitter. Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay. Shake it.
Shake it. Wait. You
Make
wanna-
sure it
Wait,
locks.
I'll lock it for you.
Hurry.
It's my thing.
Hit it. Okay, Ale, shake it. 30 seconds, Ale. Go, Ale, go.
Careful, no te vas a caer.
I can't. Do I hand? Oh, I forgot. You want to do it for you? Yeah. There's a hide.
Go, Ale, go, yeah.
I'll do the pink one, guys. 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3.
Okay, ¿de quién es la pink one?
Mio. Yeah, it's hers. And the blue one and this one is mine.
Cuida,
Okay, Ale,
cuida,
ponte
cuida.
acá, Ira. Te lo voy a dar. Ponte allá para que te miren los guys. Vente.
Okay. Okay, I think this one is done. Wait. But she has to go like... You have to go like this, okay, Ale? You have
Yeah.
to feel it a lot.
Get out your slime.
It's okay if she puts it right here? Okay, sácala aquí. Yeah, it's okay. You're not gonna get in trouble, okay? It's okay.
No, put your fingers in it.
¿Quieres que la saque? Okay, I'll help you.
Put your fingers in it.
No.
There's your slime.
It's not even sticky at all. No. Okay, I think this one's gonna be done for now. Look it. Can I get the...
Look it, Daddy.
It's not even sticky for her.
Here's
Look it.
the green one.
Oh, the hearts are two in the middle. They're sticking
It's
to
so
me.
plain.
Guys! Oh, my god. This is really sticky. Not that sticky, but
That's not sticky. Oh, forgot.
come on, come on.
Forgot.
After all, these hearts are sticking to me too much.
Let me see your slime, Ale. Whoa.
Oh, this is cool.
I'll make your house.
Minus 2. The hearts are sticking to me too much. Let's see if I can make a bubble. I don't know about this though. So this has to stick. Ow, 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 ow.
Ow.
Hi, it's sticking to me too much. Okay, ready?
Ow.
It's breaking too much. This is cool though. Okay, the hearts are not really sticking to me that much, but they are sticking to me though.
It's sticky.
What do you mean it's sticky? This is really hard to make a bubble. But the easier way is like, the other way, somebody has to grab a part and the other person has to go and we're going. But there's supposed to be more of this, but it's really cool.
Guys, we have to do this.
No. I sound like a balloon, but no, it costs too much, so we
Guys,
got this one.
guys,
The yellow is gonna be done right now.
This is
It's not even
sticky.
sticky at all,
yes.
but the hearts are sticking to me. My mom's gonna check out if the yellow's already ready. It's ready.
Mine is ready. Ale only has one, right? Oh yeah. How did the blue one, guys? It kind of.
Good. How is everything sticking to me? The glitter and this.
Don't put them together.
I didn't see that coming.
I want the little one.
Yeah.
Bye, guys. See you